how to handle a defense independent medical examination in New York. If you've been injured in an accident in New York, the insurance company may send you to a medical exam designed not to help you, but to limit what they have to pay. A defense independent medical examination, commonly called an IME, is a medical evaluation arranged and paid for entirely by the opposing insurance company or defense, not by your own doctor. Despite the word independent in its name, the physician conducting the exam works for the insurer and is there to evaluate your injuries on their behalf, not to provide you with any treatment. In most injury cases in Jackson Heights and across Queens, attending a properly requested IME is required under New York no-fault regulations at 11 NYCRR 65 3.5 and under CPLR Section 3121 in personal injury lawsuits. Missing a scheduled IME without valid justification can result in the suspension or denial of your no-fault benefits, and repeated noncompliance in a lawsuit can lead to court sanctions or even dismissal of your case. Insurers request these exams specifically to build a record they can use to dispute the severity of your injuries, question whether your treatment was medically necessary, or argue that you have already fully recovered. Common conclusions in Defense IME reports include claims that your injuries stem from a pre-existing condition, that further physical therapy or surgery is not medically necessary, or that no objective findings support your reported pain. Every one of these conclusions can be challenged, and understanding how the insurer will use the report gives you and your attorney the opportunity to prepare a strong, documented response before the exam even occurs. During the examination, you retain important rights, including the right to have a representative present in personal injury litigation, the right to take detailed notes about the exam's duration and the procedures performed, and the right to withhold consent for any invasive or unrelated procedure. The IME doctor cannot pressure you into minimizing your injuries, cannot offer treatment advice, and cannot conduct an open-ended interview that strays beyond the medical scope of your claimed conditions. A skilled personal injury lawyer can help you prepare for the exam, document what happens, and respond to any inaccurate or unsupported findings in the final report before they damage your claim. Queens personal injury attorney Keetick L. Sanchez and the legal team at this law firm represent injured clients across Queens, the Bronx, and the surrounding New York boroughs, guiding them through every stage of the IME process. Call K.L. Sanchez Law Office, PC, located at 37 Dasson 0682nd Stent # 304, Jackson Heights, New York 11372, United States, at 646 701 7990 to schedule your free consultation and get the guidance you need before your defense IME.